Hi y'all. Well, it's the holiday season, and one of our favorite things to do for Christmas is to get out the pecans and start cooking. And we use this recipe I'm going to show you is Baby K's Seasoned Pecans, and they are in high demand, let me tell you. So we give them to our friends and our family, and we use them for appetizers at the house. There's just no shortage of ways to use these. And it's a really easy recipe, so I'm just going to show it to you first. So this is cookie sheet with 4 cups. So you want your pecans to be pretty much in one layer. And then this is 7 tablespoons of butter melted. And then I'm going to add my spices. Now the really nice thing about this recipe is you can adjust it to whoever you're giving it to. So if somebody really likes spice, you can add a little more red pepper. If somebody's on a salt-free diet, you can cut the salt. You can do whatever it takes to make it a good fit for someone. Rosie and I actually like it cooked really different. Rosie likes, of course, lots of red pepper, and he likes them cooked pretty dark. I like about half the red pepper, and I like them cooked more golden. So, you know, just make them to fit your family. That's what's so good about this recipe. So for my recipe, again, it's 7 tablespoons of butter, and then this is about a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a tablespoon of cayenne red pepper, and a scant teaspoon of salt. And then I just pour it in my butter there and whip it around. Really easy. And then I'm going to pour this butter all over these pecans, making sure I get all the goodies out, all the spice. Don't want to leave any behind. And then I'm going to just coat all the pecans. And that really is all there is to it. But there is one way you can ruin these pecans, and that is by losing track of them in the oven. So what I do is I put them in the oven on 250, and I set the timer for 20 minutes. And at 20 minutes I come back and I turn them. And usually I have to turn them twice, 2 sets of 20 minutes, and I'm happy. But probably for Rosie I might go 2 20s and a 10. But so anyway, then I stick them in the oven, again 250, and when they come out, take a couple paper towels and dump it out on the paper towels, and then let them completely cool. Sometimes you even put a paper towel on top. And then when they're completely cool, you can put them in a pretty package and give them out. So that is Baby K's Seasoned Pecans, and if you'd like more Romero recipes for the holidays, go to roseonlyhouse.com.